Okay, show you real quick how I hook my boat up. I gotta change one of these hooks. Got rusted and sat in a spot where water will lay in tiny inside my boat. I have a rope that when I hook it up, when I hook it to here and goes to the boat, it's gonna go good and past the trailer. I can't tell you how long it is. Every trailer is different. Okay, so that's to the eye of my boat. And then I'll take this, that rusted there. Now I will just put that there, like that. Okay. And then I would just kind of lay this up here. And the reason I lay it like this, I just want to make sure that it don't get tangled on anything. Just leave it straight up. It ain't gotta be perfect, but you want it on top of here. So when it does come off, you see how I got tangled right there. It don't get tangled to the trailer or anything. Okay? And then all you're gonna do is once you get it up here, just take the boat and just kind of let it drift off. Don't be slamming it off. You don't need to do all that. Just let it go off and drift real nice and slow. And when it gets to about the end of it and it actually stops, just pull your boat a little bit forward to where you can actually grab the hook, take it off. Let's see how that works, like that. We'll record, like I know what I'm doing. Always unplug. I always unplug my trailer. One shot will never break me again. Nothing you do can take me down. Just like that.